If Bluetooth is missing from Device Manager, you will have a hard time managing your Bluetooth devices. So if you're also experiencing the same problem, there's no need to fret, as one or more options that we have for you will help you bring Bluetooth back to Device Manager. Now first up, check for hidden devices by launching Device Manager. Open the View menu, and then there, click the Show Hidden Devices and check if Bluetooth is now visible. Now if you still can't find it, move on to the next fixes. So for your next fix, update the USB drivers. You just have to open Device Manager, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers list, then right-click on your driver, and then select Update Driver. Now Windows will search for a compatible driver version and install it. Additionally, check for your PC's flight mode. You have to launch your action sensor, check if flight mode is turned off, and if it's already turned off, enable it for a couple of minutes, then turn it off again. If that still did not work, run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, click Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, then click Run next to Bluetooth. And those are the possible fixes if your Bluetooth devices is not showing on your Device Manager in your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.